What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And unfortunately I already filmed this intro once yesterday and somehow it got deleted off my camera. I don't know how, so I have to redo it again. But today we are basically doing my girlfriend's taillights. I explained, but I guess I'm going to explain again. Someone punched out her taillight. You're gonna probably say maybe it was a shopping cart. There ain't no way that was a shopping cart, because her car was parked for a little bit at her house, and I know for a fact they were alright. There's no hole in them like that one. So yeah, it was definitely not, someone definitely just came up and smacked. I mean, I don't know who would do it, but people in her neighborhood has done worse. They've done pellet guns to windows and stuff, so it wouldn't be surprising if someone would just go up and smack a taillight. So we got her a new set. Well, she bought a new set, and actually it's from my sponsor, and you guys will see here in a second. Excuse my car being a mess. It is absolutely trashed. But we got Raxiom taillights, and no, they are not icons. At the time, she couldn't afford them, and I'm broke too. I'm dead broke, and she just got the smoked ones, the sequential kit. So one day down the road she will get the icons, but for now she'll be rocking the Raxiom, and they actually won't look too bad. Like I said, I actually spray tinted those. I actually made a video on them, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll probably put like the card up here or something. But yeah, I spray tinted those, and they did not turn out too bad. I'm kind of actually upset that someone smacked them, because it actually took me some time to get them tinted right. Because it took me like 2 hours to tint them, because I took my time, let the paint or tint set for a certain amount of time before I did another coat. Now I clear coated it a bunch of times to protect them, to make sure they would last a while. Well, clearly they only lasted like 2 months because someone decided to smack it, and yeah, that's disappointing. But oh well, just got brand new taillights with the sequential harness, so it will look good. And after we install these bad boys, you guys can go ahead and enjoy the rest of the vlog. A lot of fun stuff to happen throughout the vlog. We ran into a couple of friends at the car meet. It's worth staying, guys. Trust me, it was fun. I just love going around and filming with friends. That's like the fun part about all this stuff. Guys, stick around for that. But since she gets out of bed, we're gonna go ahead and throw them in and see how they look. Did you open them yet? Let's open them up before we tear anything apart, just in case. Because FedEx. Ellie. No, that's the right way, dork. Now that looks pretty good. Ah, don't blow away. I want a populator. I think these will look pretty good in the V6. No. No? No. So there's one taillight done. That looks killer. Checking out her bulbs to make sure they work. And it looks like they work perfectly. Sweet. Boom. What'd you think?
They look the same as the other one.
Well, no shit, they're tinted. Just like the other ones. But I think they look better than the other ones because they're actually not spray tinted. They're actually tinted, and your reverse light's not tinted over. Quick shout out to the phone repair place in the Hagerstown mall. As you guys know, for the past month, I lost a screw in the back of my camera, meaning my display screen loose and floppy. Well, I went in there to see if you had a screw, put a screw in, didn't even charge me. What a guy. So if you guys are in the area and your phone breaks, go to them. Some good people. That's actually cool. Usually people like charge something, but you know what? It's cool to see humanity in a good spot. So yeah, so now don't have to worry about my screen falling off. Look at that combination, new Bronco versus the old Bronco. That's awesome. Unfortunately today I'm not entering the car show. Didn't clean my car on time. But I guess we'll go see what there is. Probably the same old stuff as usual. But sometimes they have something new in there. Brand new C8 Corvette. Yeah, there's a few different cars here. This
this weekend. One day we'll bring our C4 out. An LS and a Monte Carlo, but it's sideways. I've never seen anything like that. One day I'll have the S550. One day, guys. If you like and subscribe and share, we'll get there quicker. Alright, we're heading out to the car wash as usual. I can't talk right. Heading out to the usual spot, basically. Gonna wash this thing up. She is filthy once again. You guys see where I live. It is sucky, so we're gonna go out there and take care of that. Sounds so glorious. Swirly in third gear. We got the sailing up in here. Whew. We got a Corvette that broke down. Every weekend it seems like I'm here. All nice and clean again. Booty. So since my intro got deleted, you want to speak on the main topic of the video?
My taillights got busted.
Yeah, someone busted our taillights. I don't know how I deleted my intro. I literally showed it. You'll see it here in a bit. Well, you probably already saw it already. I'm probably just going to remake my intro when we get there. But we got a special box from RAXIOM. Taillights that she ordered. So RAXIOM is also my sponsorship, one of my sponsorships. So finally gonna do a product review on one of their products. So yeah, good opportunity, I guess. That's sailing now.
It's slime part.
I felt it. Where'd it come
That's
from?
Nut, dog.
Where'd it come from?
I don't know.
Where's it go? Where's the trail started there?
It's nutted on you.
How did I pick it? It's not like it's the first time. You haven't done it before.
Going crazy, trying to get it, and I was like, no.
So here's a snail that was crawling on me. Where'd he go? He's gone.
That just saved me. He came my way, but okay.
He's gone. Hello. Let's check this bad boy out. Ooh, did you hear that turbo? Oh, it's got the Shelby wheels I used to have. Wait. Lethal shutters? Who the hell is this? That's Andy's here. Oh. He runs like one of the best, he runs the best photography business in the area. This is wrapped, if this is his car.
It's hot.
Let's see what you got.
Don't mind the toolbox. I don't know.
Oh, I've seen this setup before. People die for this.
1,000, dude. I have not seen it in another car. Well, I've checked a bunch of new edges out. They all have 460s.
My buddy has one set up like that.
Don't mind all the shit. I never know this thing's gonna break, so.
Honestly, I want to get that set up. Does it boom pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, yo, let's all get into this together. Come on.
God, what are these 30s?
Bro, we gotta get a selfie with
Come on, Chase, get in a selfie. This color's so fucked up.
Come on. Hey. Man, this thing's nice.
I love it. That's crazy.
What size tire is that?
That's fucking cool, actually. That's
Yo.
actually cool as shit. They're 30s, bro.
Are they 30s?
Mirrors got eyeballs. I don't know.
Bro.
No way.
Dude, I love the color of the wheels. They're so clean. There's not a single scratch on them.
Oh.
Dude, that's been a while since I rode a skateboard. Dude, I can never even do that. Run, Forrest.
That motherfucker's
Yeah,
out.
You got a lot of weight to carry.
When you walk away from your car for too long. Alrighty guys, picking this up a day later, and if you remember at some point in the video I said she's supposed to be getting a sequential harness with her taillights, and when we got her taillights there's no sequential harness. Well, turns out American Muscle decided to ship this harness and the taillights separately. So today, of course, my fiance isn't here. She gets the harness in the mail, and I'm like, that's a little late. You would think that when you order the harness with the taillights all in one package deal, like on their website, it should come in at the same time or in the same box. I don't know, but she has it. So it won't be this video, but in the next video we'll show off the harness. But yeah, that's kind of disappointing. I kind of want to show it off on one video, and it is what it is. But also guys, we are almost to 4,000 subscribers. We are only like, let me check real quick on how far we are away from 4,000. According to my app, it says I have 80 to go. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 80. So we are 80 subscribers away from 4,000. And man, only like a year ago we reached 1,000. I never thought I'd reach 1,000. And I gotta say guys, I am extremely grateful. I know like my views have been the greatest. Content's been lacking, I'm not gonna lie, I've been slipping. But I seriously appreciate the people that stick around and still hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get content. Actually, I just ordered something for Reaper and I was hesitant on it, but I did some emailing to the company, and you guys probably already saw what I ordered on my story. But if you haven't seen it yet on my Instagram story, then I'm not going to spoil it right now. But yeah, man, I'm excited for what's about to come in. I don't know how long it's going to be. I might check my email to see if there's any shipping info yet. But let's just say it's going to be sick. And maybe going to get the same thing for the V6. All depends on how it turns out for Reaper. Alrighty guys, so make sure you like and comment and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. We are so close to 4,000. And this is, yeah, can't talk right. Alrighty guys, see you guys later.